Welcome back, meditators. This is day 2, and today's practice is all about listening, really listening. We're going to attune to the sounds around us, allowing ourselves to simply observe without reacting. If you've missed day 1, I will recommend starting from there. The link will be in the description. Now, find your most comfortable position and gently close your eyes. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap in a quiet and peaceful space. Keep your back upright but not uptight, and bring your awareness inward. Begin to notice your breath as it is, without trying to change or modify it. Simply observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. Now, let your awareness expand outward and become aware of the sounds around you. It could be the hum of a fan, distant traffic, birds chirping, or even the sound of your own breath. As you hear these sounds, observe them as they are. Don't label them as good or bad. Just let them pass through your awareness. Some sounds might be louder, some quieter. Let them come and go, like passing clouds in the sky. And if you find your mind is drifting, that's okay. The first thing you can do is to simply relax, then release the distraction, and then simply return to the object of focus, that is the sounds. Allow them to ground you in the present. Now, for the next few moments, there will be complete silence so that you can repeat this process. So become aware of the sounds, accept them as they are, and if your monkey mind jumps from one thing to another, simply guide it back on the awareness of the sound. Every time your mind gets distracted, bring compassion to your heart and bring your awareness back. Take a mindful breath in, and as you exhale, listen deeply to the silence that follows. You becoming aware of the distraction is a good sign. That really is a sign of success in one's practice. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate this time you have dedicated to your health and well-being. In the beginning, it's important to close the practice on a good note rather than being frustrated or disappointed with our practice. So be grateful for today and the little wins you had during this practice. You've done a great work, and by tuning into the sounds around you, you've cultivated a powerful sense of presence. Remember, there is no need to react, just observe. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Tomorrow, we'll explore the secret world through mindfulness of the body. I cannot wait to guide you and continue this journey with you.